I can't believe it. The furnace door made a noise and closed itself. If the furnace is completely closed, a single button will light up the burner. I will be burned alive! Koichi-san, did you get the documents I asked for? Ah, yes, I put them on the desk of Kosugi-san. You work fast, thank you very much. But Koichi-san, you've grown a lot. What is it all of a sudden? I'm Koichi. I'm in my 30s working at a furnace. It's been almost 10 years since I started working at this workplace. I've been working under this Kosugi-san. When I first came here, I just took you to the burner, and your face turned blue and shivered. Oh, please forget about the past. When I started working at this furnace, it was this Kosugi-san who taught me. Now, would you like to go see the furnace? It's not a very pleasant place, but you can get used to it first. Ah, yes. And so I was brought to the furnace. I remember that there was a terrible noise. Right now, I'm in the middle of baking the body, so would you like to see what it looks like inside? Eh? That's what Kosugi-san said, pointing at the small window that was installed in the furnace. I followed his words and peered inside through the small window. But bright! The furnace was bright with a burning flame, and I couldn't see anything at first. But as I got used to it, I could see the body inside. Eh? Are you okay? You look like you're about to wake up. I was sweating from the pores of my whole body. Even though the room itself was quite hot, I remember that my body was frozen to the touch of a person who was about to wake up and get burned. Ah, it's okay, he's already dead. When you burn the body, your posture changes a lot. So in that case, you use this. That's what Kosugi-san took out, a thin metal rod. This is called a doreki, and you use this to adjust the posture of the body. I see. Kazuo Gishi adjusts it to a careful pose before showing it to his subordinates. When the body is about to get burned, it often curls up like when you're baking a squid. Sometimes you raise only one arm or one leg, but in most cases, you bend your knees to take a so-called fighting pose. It's strange to say this, but it's like a Taiji posture. Now that you mention it, it is. It's strange to think that you're going to heaven in the same posture as before you were born. Oh yeah. Be careful if you have a pacemaker on your body. Pacemaker? Yes. There are many cases where people with weak hearts wear it, but if you burn it while wearing it, it will explode in the furnace. Explode? You can hear a terrible sound, but you must never look inside. If a fragment flies in, you're in the hospital. Not only the pacemaker, but also the internal metal, artificial joints, etc., will be approved by your family in advance. Oh, that's right. Can't you do it before you burn it? It would be nice if you could do it. There are some doctors who can do it, but most of the time they wear it as soon as they get in. I can't do it at home. By the way, Koichi, did you get a doctor's license? Oh yes, a few years ago. Is that so? Then you can be a manager someday. No, I just thought I'd keep it if I could. There are people in the fire department who are called firefighters. They are also called firefighters, and they are employees who adjust firepower and wind power. I don't think I should have taken it. Even if you don't have a license, you can still be a firefighter. But after all, you need to manage it, so it's better to keep it for the future. Firefighters have been around for a long time. Nowadays, there are more and more fireplaces, but a long time ago there was a fire called Murayaki. Now it's convenient, and it's easier to adjust the temperature of the furnace. In the old days, it was difficult because it was baked with firewood. The body is cold, so the internal organs are burnt raw. Raw? At that time, firefighters, who were called firefighters at that time, I burned it until it melted and turned into ash. Even now that many things have been automated, firepower and wind power adjustments are made by firefighters. The reason is that the burning speed and condition vary depending on the body type of the firefighter. There was an incident where a firefighter's body was shown to a firefighter's family before. We need to burn the firefighter's body so that it doesn't happen. It's not a coincidence that such an accident happened at the last farewell with an individual. One day I heard a terrible incident. Bring out the burnt body? Why did you do that? It is said that the firefighters brought out the burnt body. It is said that the firefighters brought out the burnt body. Oh, the Kiryu firefighter incident? That was a shock. In the end, the firefighter's man was arrested. It is said that 200 bodies were brought out. Why did you do that? It is said that there are people who do anything for money. While looking at the bald head of Mr., I was frozen by the greed of humans. Various accidents and troubles occur at the scene. Among them, there is an accident where I was the most frozen and prepared for my end. I'm really bad at cleaning the furnace. Cleaning the furnace is also included in the work at the crematorium. If you burn the body fluid will come out and stick to the side. If you leave it alone, it will accumulate more and more, so you need to peel it off. This burner, I don't think it will catch fire due to some error. Even though I knew that it would never happen to the burner that was placed in front of me. I was afraid that I would be burned and I was sweating. No, let's concentrate and finish it quickly. It was at that time that I changed my mind and tried to go back to work. The furnace door made a noise and closed. If the furnace is completely closed, a single button will start a fire from the burner. I will be burned alive. Away! Inside the sound of the door closing, I heard the laughter of a child. I panicked and screamed in a daze. Then the door stopped moving and slowly opened. What are you doing? Sorry. I rushed to the staff who were trying to close the door, but for some reason only a bad apology came back. What's wrong? This person tried to close the door when I was cleaning the furnace. What a thing. I'm glad Koichi-san is safe. I'm sorry for making a loud voice. But I panicked even more when I heard the sound of the machine and the voice of a child. The voice of a child? I heard a surprising expression of Koichi-san. Well, maybe I panicked and just misheard the sound of the machine. I don't really believe in superstitions, but actually I burned a child's body on this furnace the other day. It was unusual, so I remembered, but I don't think so. No, please stop! The words of Kosugi-san always freeze my spine. However, the crematorium is not just a scary experience. Today's corpses look like they don't belong to anyone. I'll have to store the remains at home. There are many homeless people among the corpses that don't belong to anyone. In that case, the local government will be burdened with the cost of cremation. Later, there may be people belonging to your family, so keep them well. Even if you are not a member of your family, you may see a close acquaintance. It depends on the crematorium, but we accept the offering to the corpses we keep. And after a certain corpse has been cremated, we visit it every month. He's also a homeless guy. What kind of relationship do you have with an individual? I suddenly called out to the man I see every month. What? He and I are homeless friends. We don't have a family, and we were getting along. I see. So I wanted to pay a visit. Actually, I'd like to treat him to a good meal, but I don't have any money. I'd rather pay a visit like this and pray for him to go to heaven. I felt sad for the lonely smile on that man's face. Then after a while, Mr. Kasugi informed me that he was carrying a body without a body. Now it's time for the two of us to laugh again. What? What is it all of a sudden? Oh, you haven't confirmed the body yet. You'll know what I mean when you see the body. While bowing to Mr. Kasugi's meaningful words, I confirmed the body that had been carried. Yamaguchi-san. Yes, the body that had been carried was that man who visited his homeless friends every month. You two aren't lonely anymore, are you? That's right. The remains of the man who was kept ahead of time have not been retrieved yet. Perhaps Yamaguchi-san's remains will not be retrieved either. The last place where the bodies of various people gather. That's the crematorium. There are various troubles and accidents, and our job is to help send them out with a calm mind. The last place in the world. And as those who help travelers, we work hard every day for their calm and rich life. If you've seen it this far, you've got a foresight. Please subscribe to the channel.
With a laundromat, you don't have to look for a temporary owner. It earns money even while you sleep, so the returns are good and you can aim to be debt-free in 10 years of genius.
Black World.
My name is Kasugi, a 35-year-old elite salaryman. You're failing again.
Sorry.
Oh. Kasugi, can you please follow him? HMPH. It can't be helped. No one talks about me, even though I'm so talented. Yes. Of course. Kumamoto, you can't leave it to me. Thank you, Kasugi. With an annual income of 7 million yen and savings of over 15 million yen, I'm probably considered an elite in the world. Yes, that's fine. As expected of Kasugi. No, it's not that big. As a single person, I can save plenty of money just by working, but I want to increase my money more wisely, so-called passive income. I'm wisely collecting various information from books and the internet. Real estate investment is still good, but the initial investment is a problem. Smart, no matter how much I'm told that real estate investment is good, I don't even look at things like studio apartments. I'm thinking of investments that are elite-like, but it's hard to find anything that's convenient. However, one day, a fateful encounter awaited me. Huh? That's too strong. Isn't it too strong? Yeah. Aren't you Rita? It's been a while. It's been a while. That's right. Why don't we go out for a drink while we're here? Sure, that's fine. Hey, haven't you looked a lot better? Oh, I guess so. Actually, I've been saying a lot of things well lately. I was curious, so I decided to listen to what he had to say while we had dinner. Huh. Suji. Doesn't that make you elite? No, I'm still a long way from that. But even office workers don't know what the future holds. You're not just saving money, you're also thinking about investing. As expected of Kasugi, you know what I mean. It's not that bad. A lot of people don't realize that. Actually, I'm currently working for a coin laundry franchise company. The number of coin laundry facilities has definitely been increasing recently. Yeah, that's right, I really recommend it. I recommended it to my parents at home. I see. Can you tell me more about it? I'm interested in real estate investment. But I have no interest in things like investing in one-room apartments. You're really good. Your eyesight is good. Ryota's explanation made sense as to why coin laundromats are increasing. Coin laundromats require less initial investment than real estate investment. Some convenience stores use them, right? Oh, in Inoki's case, all you need is the sea layer. With real estate investment, you have to start from scratch with the land and building, which is a lot of work. That's right, with a coin laundry, you don't have to find a temporary owner. If you leave it unmanned, you don't have to pay any labor costs. They make money even while you're sleeping, so the yield is good and you can aim to be debt-free with a repayment period of 10 years. So what are the actual yields and sales? For my customers, the average is 600,000 yen. This time, it's about 15%. Hey, that's so good. Oh. My parents make about 600,000 yen a month that way. Of course, they don't have any debt. Yes, that's good. Also, the fact that they're increasing in the city means that everyone thinks they have potential, and on top of that, you need a certain amount of capital, so it's not like you can just jump in. So I'd recommend it to anyone who wants to invest in real estate. Plus, it's a good way to avoid taxes. No, there are some. I want to be successful in coin laundromats. And that's how I ended up working with Ryota's company to invest in coin laundromats. Yes, then sign this contract. Yes, thank you for your time. It cost 30 million yen as an initial investment, but with my income, Yuji's approval will be granted in no time. All I have to do is decide on the interior design and complete the necessary procedures, and then I just have to wait for it to be completed. Hee. If I can get 600,000 yen in every month, I can live on that alone. My castle is finally complete. Now, who's the customer? Huh? Why isn't anyone here? I'm getting nervous. I wait for customers for about an hour. But no one comes even though it's the opening day. I see, it's still new, so it's not well known yet. And it's lunchtime now. It must be getting closer. I told myself that and went back home. I'm sure I'll make it back soon. That's what I thought. Yeah. Why are there no sales at all? After the first month, I nervously checked the sales, but surprisingly, there weren't many customers after that either. Now I have to take out 300,000 yen. Why did this happen? Where's Rita? I suddenly ended up in the red. I explained this at the beginning. It's different from investing in new real estate. Coin laundromats aren't well known to begin with, so I have to advertise them myself. Oh, now that you mention it, I think I heard something like that. If people don't know there's a coin laundromat here, they stop coming and end up losing money. That's not true for a store. Oh. Ours is near a big hospital and there are a lot of houses. Once I put out a little advertising at first, I started making money without doing anything else. That's why. I panicked, not thinking I had to do all the advertising myself. That's right. I just need to let people know about it through SNS and flyers. If I just increase the frequency, customers will come. With that in mind, I asked a design company to do the advertising, even though I wasn't familiar with SNS. If people knew about it, I should be able to get it back right away. Why, even though I've been putting out flyers and advertising on SNS. Even after advertising, sales haven't really increased. Every month, the laundromat is losing nearly 300,000 yen, and I'm using my savings to make up for it. Why? Shouldn't this be the case? Is that you, Kasugi-san? I'm busy dealing with complaints right now. Isn't this wrong? Huh? Oh, it's true. Hey, Kasugi-san, what's wrong with Kumamoto-kun pointing it out to you? I'm sorry that this complaint was caused by your mistake. When I lose my composure, I start making small mistakes at work one after another. Even when I'm sleeping, I can't stop thinking about the laundromat debt. Yes, my savings are decreasing so much. My savings are disappearing so quickly. This isn't a synonym. It's completely a negative. I can't stand this situation anymore. I decided to consult about selling it. If I sell it, I'll actually save a lot. It hasn't even been a year yet. Even if I were to sell everything, I would have to restore the building to its original state, and if I sold it, I would end up with nothing but debt and a loss. So, what on earth can I do? I should try a little harder. What am I doing? I can't sell it, and no customers come. The coin laundry has become nothing more than a liability, and all the savings I've accumulated so far in my salary from work from now on will be sucked up because of that debt. I should have studied harder before trying. I want to go back to that moment. If you've
watched this far, you have potential. You should subscribe to the channel. Yeah.
さっきからずっと見てるけど、何？
妊娠したの。
普通なら喜ぶべき場面だろ。俺にはそれが最悪の知らせだったのだ。
ブラックワールド。
リサとは結婚して5年目の夫婦だ。子供を望んでいた俺たちだったが、イブが妊娠することはなかった。2人で病院に行き、そこで発覚したのは、俺が原因である不妊だった。それでも、2人で一緒に夫婦として幸せに暮らしてきたはずなのに。妊娠したのか。リサは不妊治療を続けていた。でも、俺の中で不安は拭いきれなかった。
でね、私と別れてほしいの。
やっぱりそうだ。俺の不安は当たってるんだ。別れるってことは、俺の子じゃないってことだよね。俺以外の男とやったんだな。つまり不倫だよな。なんだよ。なんでそんなことしてんだよ。
光一が悪いんじゃない。
え？
あんたは種なしでセックスも下手、イケメンでもないしつまらない男。あんたといっても人生このままとか惨めでしょ。こんな地味で不幸顔の男と一生生きていくなんて、そんなの絶対に嫌。
そうなんだ。わかった。こんなことを思ってたのか。
離婚してくれるわよね。
うん。わかったよ。
これでやっと不幸から解放されるのね。
その前に、一つだけお願いがあるんだ。離婚する代わりに、何があってもよりは戻さない。約束だ。そんな笑うことないだろ。
私こそ絶対によりは戻さないわよ。あんたとよりを戻すなんてありえないでしょ。
最低なやつだな。
じゃあさようなら。
うん。
光一も幸せになってよね。あんたみたいなのでもいいって女がいればだけど。
俺はこの時に誓ったんだ。絶対にイブを許さないと。絶対に許さない。まずは不倫した男を徹底的に調べてやる。お電話ありがとうございます。山口探偵事務所です。身辺調査を依頼したいのですが、俺は復讐を果たすべくとある場所に向かっていた。お前たちを地獄に落としてやる。俺は週刊誌に特大のスキャンダルを売りに来たのだ。これでお前らもセンテンススプリングだ。リサの不倫相手の身辺調査を依頼した結果、相手の男は雄太郎という名前の会社経営者であり、コンサルタント業の人間だった。メディアにも大きく取り上げられ、その存在は世間でも有名で、一度は名前を聞いたことがあるくらいの超有名な経営者。これを使わない手はない。俺はそう直感した。たった30万しかもらえなかった。俺の考えとは裏腹に、雄太郎の他人の嫁と寝るのが趣味というスキャンダルは30万の価値しかなかった。でも俺の目的はお金じゃない。これが俺の復讐の始まりだ。
大手アパレルブランドの経営者である雄太郎さんのスキャンダルが今世間を賑わせています。雄太郎さんの不倫報道についてまだご本人からは何の発言もありません。
いい君だ。もちろん雄太郎の会社の株価は暴落。雄太郎自身もいろんなメディアで不倫のことについてさらされることになった。これで終わると思うなよ。俺のことを裏切ったんだ。不倫して俺をあれだけ傷つけたんだからな。もうお前の元旦那だろ。不倫のこと週刊誌に売るってお前んとこしかいないだろ。
でもあいつはそんな度胸ないと思うけど、もしかして会社の人とかじゃないの？
会社？
だって私と会う時に仕事抜け出したり会議も仮病使ったりしてたでしょ。
そうか、そうだよな。俺たちの周りには敵だらけってことだよな。
大丈夫、私がいるから。
会社の株価も落ちてんだぞ。俺会社から追い出されるかもしれない。
きっと大丈夫だよ。
マジでどうしよう。おはよう。なんなんだよ、この間まで俺に媚び売ってきただろ。仕事するか。なんだこれ、切手もないぞ。俺宛てだ。お前悪い。この手紙呪いかかってる。7日後楽しみ。なんだよこれ。まさか俺はみんなから恨まれてたのか。俺どうなるんだ。まさかこれマジな犯行予告か。どうしよう。社長、この後の会議ですが。社長？
おかえりなさい。
全部お前が悪いんだ。
雄太郎、
この家から出て行け。
ちょっ
とお前とは終わりだ。二度と俺の前に現れるな。はい。
光一、助けて。私もう行く場所がないの。
だからって俺のとこか。
私光一の大切さに気がついたの。
何言ってるんだ。
光一、お願い、私と再婚して。私目が覚めたの。やっぱり光一しかいない。ごめんね。私とやり直そうよ。
約束したよな、離婚の条件として。
でも私どこにも居場所がないの。
お前がどうなろうと俺に関係ない。さようなら。
私はどうすれば。また今日もお客さん来なかったな。もう食べるご飯ないよ。不倫なんてするんじゃなかった。
今日で7日目。俺今日で終わりなのか。なんでこんなことになったんだよ。いい天気だ。俺の復讐は終わった。リサは風俗店でその日暮らしをしていると噂で聞いた。 ゆうたろうは俺の怪文書がよっぽど怖かったのか、今では引きこもりらしい。いい君だ。
光一くん、ここにサインして。
ってこれ離婚届じゃないか。
そうだよ、なるはやでお願いね。
分かった、なんて言うわけないだろ。
ケチ。
俺たち夫婦は結婚20年目。若い頃は妻の無邪気さが可愛かったが、アラフォーになった今は困りごとの種だ。
彼氏が外で待ってるから早くサインしてよ。
できません。
なんで分かってくれないの？
なんだ
あ、彼氏じゃないかな。はい
変わり身が早すぎるだろ。こんにちはっす。
こちらが3ヶ月前から付き合っている健太くんです。
ああ、どうも。結婚20年目の夫です。20年？そりゃすげえ。俺まだ21歳ですもん。2人が結婚した時俺1歳。おい何なんだこの茶番は。こいつさん、ちょっといいっすか。なんだい。さっきイブちゃん泣いてたんですけど、奥さんを泣かすなんてありえませんよ。
いいのよ、私が悪かったんだし。ぐすん。
また泣いちゃった。大丈夫？俺はイブちゃんを泣かすようなことしないからね。なんだこいつら、収拾がつかない。こいつさん、イブちゃんの幸せのために俺たち結婚します。
ねえ、いいでしょ。
もう勝手にしてくれ。こうして俺たち夫婦は離婚することになった。事の顛末を息子2人に伝えると、というわけでお母さんは出ていくそうだ。お前たちはどうする？もちろんなあ。
じゃあね、光一くん元気でね。
まさかみんなついてくるとは。
彼氏くんと息子たちは年近いから仲良くできるよ。
これからよろしくね、お父さん。アラフォー男が家族を失ってしまった。シーンと静まった部屋にいると孤独死の恐怖が押し寄せてくる。相手の不倫が原因だから慰謝料はしっかり請求するかな。さあ、いっぱい食べなさい。
やっほー、やっぱり太っ腹だなお父さんは。
あっちでは焼肉する余裕なんてなかったよ。カツカツの生活してそうだよな。妻と浮気男は新居のアパートを契約するところまでは良かったものの、即座に貯金が尽きたらしい。
こんなはずじゃないわ。
ちょっと待ってお父さん、塾の夏期講習代のお金が必要なんだ。フリーターにはこんな金額無理だよ。今年大学受験だからお願い。ただでさえ慰謝料の請求があるってのに。あとこの書類に目を通して必要な場所にサインして。なんで俺がやんなきゃいけないの？保護者の承諾がないと俺たちは何にもできないんだ。頼むよお父さん。そうだね、分かった。後でやるから。活字読むと頭痛くなるんだよ。
ねえねえお父さん、筋トレに付き合ってよ。
それも父親の仕事なの？
父親の背中を見て成長したいんだ。はい、一緒に腹筋100回ね。
冗談じゃない、勘弁してくれよ。
あれ、筋トレ苦手だったの？これ以上無理強いはしちゃダメだよね。
やけに素直だな。
じゃあさ、代わりにこのスポーツウェアとプロテイン買って。いいでしょ、前のお父さんは買ってくれたよ。
ちょっと買い物に行ってくるね。と言って出て行ったまま、浮気男は二度と帰ってこなかった。
裏切り者。
想像通りだな。あの男すぐに逃げ出すと思ったよ。あいつの顔がどんどん引きつっていく様子、お父さんにも見せたかったな。
ほんと最高だったよ。
お母さんがいなくてお前たち大丈夫か？もともとお母さんあんまり家にいなかったし。
お父さんに育ててもらったようなもんだもんね。
みんな開けて、もう一度やり直させてお願いよ。
どちら様ですか？
今まで働いたことなんてなかったのにね。今頑張って仕事しているの。一人でなんて生きていけないよ。寂しくて死んじゃうよ。光一くん、久しぶりね。やっぱり私の旦那はあなただけよ。許してね。
自業自得ですよ。迷惑なのでもう二度と来ないでください。
ひどいわ。長年一緒に寄り添った妻を追い出すなんて。本当は別れて後悔してるんじゃないの？そんな、待って、お願い、家に入れて。
その後、風の噂で聞いた話だが、元妻は俺への慰謝料を支払うためにアラフォーでも働ける に就職したらしい。
男に求められて女は輝くのよ。
おい、次のお客さんだぞ。
やっぱ武器使われてしんどいな。腰痛い。
その後2人とも落ちるところまで落ちていったらしい。ま、自業自得だな。
ここまで見たお主らは見込みがある。チャンネル登録をしていくがよい。